In this tutorial, I'll show you how to join two paths using the pen tool in Photoshop CC. This is useful when you have two separate path segments and want to connect them into one continuous path. First, open your document and select the pen tool from the toolbar. Make sure the tool is set to path mode in the options bar at the top. Next, open the Paths panel if needed, and select the path you want to edit. Locate the two endpoints that you want to join together. Click directly on the first endpoint using the pen tool to activate and continue that path. Then move your cursor toward the endpoint of the second path. When the cursor is positioned over the endpoint, you should see a small icon next to the pen tool cursor, showing that you can connect the paths. Click on the second endpoint to join both path segments into one continuous path. If the connected path does not look smooth, select the Direct Selection tool, click on an anchor point, and adjust the direction handles until the curve looks the way you want. You can continue adding, editing, or closing the path after joining it. And that's how to join paths with the pen tool in Photoshop CC. With this simple method, you can easily connect separate path segments and create a clean, continuous path. I hope this tutorial helped you, and thanks for watching.